In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zelle with Bank of America to send and receive money effortlessly through the Bank of America mobile app. This process is quite straightforward and is designed to make transferring funds fast and easy. Stick around until the end to ensure you understand every part of the process and get ready to start sending or requesting money like a pro. To get started, open up your Bank of America mobile app and sign into your account using your credentials. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can find it in your device's app store. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard, which is your hub for navigating the app. From the bottom menu, go ahead and tap on Transfer Up Zelle. This option allows you to access Zelle directly through your Bank of America app, making it easier to send and receive money securely without needing a separate app or account. Once you've entered the Transfer Zelle section, you have two primary options: send if you're looking to pay someone, or request if you are the one receiving money. Tap on send to start a new payment, or request to ask someone else for money. Next, you'll need to select or add the recipient. You can do this by entering their email address or US mobile number. If you're sending money to a new contact, just hit the option to add a recipient, where you'll provide the necessary contact information. This ensures the person receives the money directly into their bank account swiftly and securely. After selecting the recipient, it's time to decide on the amount. Enter the amount of money you wish to send or request. Be sure to double check this amount, ensuring there are no errors. Once you've confirmed the correct figure, go ahead and tap Continue. This step is crucial to avoid any mishaps or incorrect transfers. Now you'll see a summary of your transaction details. It's a good idea to carefully review this information to confirm everything looks accurate, from the recipient's details to the amount specified. If all appears correct, proceed by tapping Send Money if you're sending funds, or Request Money if you're asking for it. Shortly, you'll be directed to a confirmation screen. This screen signals that your Zelle transfer has been successfully completed. You can feel confident that the transaction is in process, and the recipient will be notified accordingly. This confirmation also acts as a record, ensuring you know when and how much was transferred or requested. And there you have it. Using Zelle through the Bank of America app is that simple. Remember, Zelle is a fast, safe, and easy way to send money to friends and family, typically within minutes. I hope this walkthrough provided clarity on using Zelle with your Bank of America account effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring!